Hey creators, welcome back to ED Creators Rwanda.
Imagine your tomato farm thriving, perfectly watered, thanks to AI. Our journey begins in a sun-drenched tomato field, where plants show signs of thirst. Smart sensors detect low moisture, transmitting data to a central AI system. The AI analyzes this data, activating the farm's sprinkler system automatically. Watch as water cascades over the plants, transforming them from thirsty to vibrant, ensuring optimal growth.
In agriculture, efficient water management is crucial, yet traditional methods often lead to waste and crop stress. Imagine fields of dry, cracked earth and wilting tomato plants struggling under the harsh sun, a common challenge for farmers. But what if technology could precisely deliver water only when and where it's needed most, transforming arid landscapes into thriving farms? Advanced smart sensors, sleek and modern, are embedded directly into the soil, constantly monitoring moisture levels and soil conditions. This vital data is then wirelessly transmitted to a sophisticated AI system, which analyzes the information in real time to determine optimal irrigation needs. Based on its analysis, the AI precisely triggers the irrigation system, activating sprinklers across the field to deliver water exactly where it's required. Watch as each precious water droplet lands on the vibrant green leaves and plump red tomatoes, instantly revitalizing them and ensuring healthy growth. This intelligent approach not only conserves water, but also maximizes crop yield, leading to more sustainable and productive farming practices. Embrace the future of agriculture where every drop counts, thanks to the power of artificial intelligence.
Agriculture. AI is revolutionizing how we sort tomatoes, bringing unprecedented efficiency to farming. This innovative technology automates grading and sorting, significantly enhancing product quality and reducing labor costs. High-speed cameras capture detailed images of each tomato, while AI vision analytics instantly assess color, size, and any defects. These advanced systems utilize deep learning algorithms to identify patterns, ensuring accurate classification and defect detection. The robotic arm then rapidly sorts tomatoes into different bins based on their quality, ensuring only the best reach the market. This AI-powered sorting dramatically increases efficiency, processing thousands of tomatoes per hour, far exceeding manual capabilities. It also significantly reduces labor costs and minimizes waste by accurately identifying and removing defective produce. AI's role extends beyond sorting, providing real-time crop insights for irrigation, fertilization, and pest control decisions. This technology ensures enhanced food safety by removing foreign objects and supports sustainability through optimized resource management. Embrace the future of agriculture with smart technology for smarter farming. Discover more innovations and advancements by subscribing to ED Tech Studio. ED Creators Rwanda is empowering the next generation of digital creators. Join us.
Welcome to the future of technology. Explore innovation with